Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. We hope that recent events in China will continue to increase risk appetites. The large bourses of the Asia-Pacific region rose, aided by Hong Kong's mainland shares and the trades there. Stoxx 600 Europe is making a snap for a 3-day downdrafting and is currently up 0.6% in late morning turnover. The bias is slightly stronger in the U.S. futures. The greenback trades heavily with the Norwegian Krone and Antipodeans. The Japanese yen is the exception, suffering a slight loss. Yesterday's short dip below $1,740 has seen gold rebound, and it is now challenging Monday's peak of $1,763.70. January WTI is stable at $80 according to API reports. This is aided by a 7.8 millionln drawdown of U.S. inventories, according to API estimates. Asian Pacific market. Japan continues to disappoint with its data. Unexpectedly, the third largest economy in the world contracted in the third quarter. The November PMI composite was 48.9, down from 51.8 in February. The range of the dollar is limited to just a little over a third of JPY, 138.60. Instead of accelerating, as economists feared, Australia's latest monthly CPI measurement showed that price pressures have eased. The October CPI fell to 6.9% from 7.3%. Although the Australian dollar initially did not react to the softening CPI, as the US dollar became more under pressure, the Australian dollar joined the movement. It is still within yesterday's range. Market of Europe. France reported no slowing in headline inflation. Spain and Germany reported it, but France did not. The EU harmonized measure in France was 7.1%. Germany's November unemployment rate rose by 17,000 after an October revision of 9,000. This is the highest level since August. From 5.5%, the unemployment rate jumped to 5.6%. After falling to $1.0320 in Asia, the euro was able to make a new 5-session low, and then it was rebought for $1.0380 in Europe. Sterling has built a shelf of $1.1940 in the last 2 days, and it holds today. Market of America. The U.S. data market is busy today, but there are two highlights. Although ADP has changed their methodology, many will still take Friday's report into consideration. Second is Fed Chair Powell's speech at Brookings Institution. While Powell is speaking, the Beige Book for December FOMC meeting will be made available. Yesterday's Canadian dollar decline was the third consecutive session. This is the worst G10 currency performer with a 1.6% decline, while all other currencies appreciate. Yesterday, the US dollar climbed to almost CAD 1.3650 and is currently consolidating. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.